In today's video, I'll show you how to create a landing page in WooCommerce that looks great and drives conversions. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages, then select Add New to create a fresh page for your campaign. Give it a compelling name that matches your offer, something like Summer Deal or Holiday Sale. Now it's time to design your page using Gutenberg Blocks. Add a cover block for an eye-catching header image to instantly grab attention. Then use columns to neatly organize your content and highlight different features of your offer. Add buttons for clear calls to action and include WooCommerce product blocks or short codes if you want to display specific products with an Add to Cart button right on the page. To keep visitors focused, hide unnecessary elements like the header, footer, or navigation menus. You can do this through your theme settings or by selecting a minimal page template. A distraction-free design always helps increase conversions. Next, make sure your call to action buttons lead directly to checkout or a product cart link. Keep the process simple and smooth. No extra clicks, no confusion. The easier it is for your visitors to act, the better your results will be. Before publishing, preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks clean and works perfectly. Once it's ready, hit publish and start driving traffic to your new WooCommerce landing page. That's it for this guide.